Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'll be showing you around this Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace R-Line. This Tiguan is powered by a 2.0 TDI 150PS engine with automatic transmission and 4-motion all-wheel drive. It's finished in an Atlantic blue paintwork with R-Line body styling and offers some exceptional exterior features. Coming into the boot, which can be opened automatically, you'll find the Tiguan offers generous space for various items, folding rear seats and a privacy screen. The two folded seats in the boot can be adjusted to provide seating for 2 extra passengers. This is perfect for larger families or groups. Into your rear seating, and you'll find the interior to be fitted with the stylish Vienna Leather upholstery, which featured a folding central armrest and ISOFIX mounting points. To the front you got USB port and climate controls. Moving into the cabin, and you'll find a pair of front comfort seats with power adjustment and memory function, alongside other features such as cup holders, storage inside the adjustable armrest and wireless phone charging. The multi-function steering wheel features adaptive cruise control and speed limiter functions, and controls for your digital cockpit display. Looking at that now, you can flick through some options that include telephone, vehicle status, drive data, assist systems, navigation and audio. Moving on to the infotainment system, you can tune into FM and DAB channels through the radio function. There are also other ways to listen to media, such as Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is also available, furthering device connectivity. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and can highlight points of interest. You can check your vehicle status and settings available. You can customize your speaker's equalizer settings and change the position of audio output. Assistant activates the car's IQ Drive safety features. Beneath the display you'll find the car's electric climate control system with heated front seat functionality. Driver profile selection provides you with a range of drive modes for you to choose from. The Tiguan also comes fitted with front and rear parking sensors, helping you park up with visual and audio indications. The roof of the cabin features 2 light-up vanity mirrors, SOS button, reading lights and controls for your panoramic sunroof. I hope you enjoyed this presentation of the Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace R-Line that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below, or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please contact our friendly sales team today on 01978 503 516. Many thanks for watching, we look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.